So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download driver of Gigabyte motherboard. So first guys, you have to come this website gigabyte.com. This is official website, so you can download a driver. Gigabyte any devices drivers you have to download, so you can come on this, and this is search key. So just you have to click on that and enter your model number which is your required motherboard driver, and then just hit the enter. Then click on product and click on title of the B60 Eagle X. Then click on support. So guys, first you have to select your operating system which is using. If you have a using Windows 10, Windows 11, so I am making Windows 11 video. So if you are using Windows 10, so no worry, you can watch this video and install this installation process same. Okay, only driver is different, so you can just select the driver and download it. So WLAN means Wi-Fi driver, Intel Wi-Fi driver. Click to download. And open file. Double click to exe. Then click to yes. And this is installed.